today I'm gonna make papaya for the party. It's very easy. I already make everything ready to go, and this is the sauce I make. The sauce right here, you know, fish sauce, tomato, garlic, hot pepper, lime juice, tamarind juice, and lao fish sauce. Papaya, the main one is right here. Papaya, guys. Okay, chop already 3 papaya for the party, and a long green bean, carrot for nice color and benefit the same time. Tomato, eggplant. Okay, let's get started. So this is gonna be good, healthy salad, guys. You don't believe it, eat anything you can eat, but if you're missing papaya salad right here, oh my God, you're missing a benefit for your body. So let's get started. Okay, you know, when you make for the party, you're just doing this way. Okay, this is papaya. I already chopped. Oh my God, it's so healthy. And you can eat just by themselves or with salad, anything you want to eat. Oh my God, tell me about that. This is a good papaya. And every time I'm gonna get in like this, I'm gonna mix with carrots. Okay, let's get mixed with carrots for nice color, and long green bean for nice color. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put the sauce right here. Yeah, put the sauce first, and let's mix them well. You know what? I'm gonna put eggplant right here first. In here. Yes. Mix them well. Oh, smells so delicious. You know, smell loud fish sauce. You know, ปลาแดกพี่น้องเลยตำมะฮงสำหรับพาดีเด้อมากินน้ำกัน and put tomato some in here. Of course, tomato gotta be get in. Okay, one done. Put in here the tray. Very easy to make. When you make for the party, you're gonna do this way. Okay, let me make some more then. Okay, everyone add some more. Tomatoes already here. Add the green bean, carrot for color, beautiful, eggplant, tomato. Very easy, guys, when you make the sauce right here. So add the salt in here. Oh man, yum, I'm telling you, so easy. And I'm gonna add more fish sauce in here. You can use any kind of fish sauce, okay? Alright, let's mix. Can't go no wrong when you make sauce already. They just even taste, no less, no more, same taste. But the important is the sauce right here. I make tomato, garlic, hot pepper, fish sauce, lime juice, tamarind juice, no sugar, everything in one for the party. Okay, smell is so good, and then put it together in here. Oh my God, tell me about that. Who don't like papaya? Even American people, they love it. You know, when you eat papaya, it's wake you up with vitamin C, all the goodness in here, and wake up and have energy more. If you want to know about papaya benefit, you go up papaya, green papaya, okay, not yellow, okay? Papaya salad. Oh yes, everything in here. Looking good. Ooh, looking delicious. One last. Get it done. Finish it up. And eggplant. Get it going down. All of them. Green bean. Carrots. Everything going down. All benefits in here. Oh my God, they yum. Smells so good. And tomato going down. That's how you make papaya salad, okay? You can make, you don't want spicy, you don't have to put spicy. And then the sauce all the way. All the way. Easy. This is for party. Cambodia, Laos, American, everybody in the party. Cannot wait to go to the party. I will show you the crowd tonight. And follow me, I will share with you to see how we party. With everybody in one, every country. Laos, Thai, Cambodia, Vietnam, America, Spanish, anybody guys, okay? Anybody. And mix together. Got about that, one last touch. Fish sauce. That's it. Everything done. Come on, come party with me. Oh yeah, smells delicious. Alright. How that look? Yummy, huh? Fresh. You know, you wanna eat papaya, you eat green. The yellow is because they're not fresh. They take it up from the tree for so long and leave it outside and make it yellow, and all the vitamins is all kind of fade out, all gone, but still benefit a little bit. But I don't like it. When back home in Thailand and Laos, we take off the papaya from the tree yellow. That's how we benefit. Okay. So okay, everything done now. Okay, everyone, just get that done. Here, one last. Oh my God, it smells so delicious. You can eat with grilled chicken, eat with steak, pork, chicken, shrimp, fish, anything, and sticky rice. Oh my God, tell me about that. Wow, this is delicious. And you can eat with sweet rice if you wanted to. Look at this. Beautiful. If I make for sale this tray, I will charge $100. You know why? Because everything's so expensive today. $100. If you want me to do for your party, you can order me. I can make for you. I charge $100 this tray. Okay, that's a big tray. $100, and everybody's gonna love and thank for that when they are eating. They're gonna say, "Who make this papaya?" That's what everybody gonna ask. All right. Okay, done. Ready to eat. And this coconut sweet rice you can eat with papaya too. It look like a bangkala, you know. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Steamed sticky rice, and let's go enjoy, have some fun, you know. Okay, put in here the sticky rice hot all day. Okay. Okay, now follow me tonight. We're gonna party start 6 o'clock, and we're gonna eat this. And I will show you the crowd. Whoever coming, a lot of people, all kind, every country love this papaya. Okay, so see you later at the party. And this is get ready for a couple hours to go. I put in the refrigerator. This is coconut rice, so good. You can eat with mango. You can make mango sticky rice. Okay guys, see you again next one. นี่ทำหมดใจเลยนะโอ้สวยมากyeah สวยมาก Look at this son I make exactly for her bill she said more food coming perfect นะใช่ไหมพี่แล้วก็สวยนะสวยดีเลยเช็คยูบูดิเช็คถ่ายโอเค good job
Boyfriend? Yeah, absolutely.
Go outside.
He ain't gonna know.
eating. I'm sitting now.
I can tell.
Yeah, I'm sitting eating now. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. Amen. They enjoy the food right now. Everybody loves mango sticky rice.
I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk. I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk.
Now they're very cool down now.
Yeah, I love it.